Js370 tracked excavator. The Jcb Js370 is towards the top end of our range of heavy tracked excavators. Weighing in at around 36 tons, it's blessed with exceptional efficiency, strength, productivity, comfort, safety and ease of maintenance. The Js370's new DIESELMAX 672 engine provides up to 25% fuel savings over outgoing models, while a closed-box section revolving frame increases strength and reduces stress. We've also created a new high-strength boom and dipper for this 360 excavator, and we've used only the very best components, like Berco running gear, Kawasaki pumps and Kayaba main control valves. 210 kilowatts DIESELMAX 672 engine provides up to 25% fuel savings. Class-leading maintenance access. Spacious, comfortable cab design with excellent visibility. 27,350 kilograms bucket tier out. Robust, durable upper structure and doors. Comfort and ease of use. We've designed Jcb Js370 tracked excavators to be comfortable, ergonomic, simple and intuitive to operate. Which is good for operators of 360 excavators but even better for you. After all, great ease of use equals great productivity. Function switches on this tracked excavator are easy to reach and include the heater and climate control panels, while the side unit doubles as part of the immobilizer code selector. Jcb Js370 tracked excavators have a spacious luggage tray behind the operator's seat. The Jcb Advanced Monitoring System keeps tabs on functions and inputs during different working modes. Demist/defrost keeps a Js360 tracked excavator's front window clear at all times in any conditions. Efficiency and productivity. Our 6-cylinder Jcb DIESELMAX 672 engine has a high power rating of 210 kilowatts. Yet, because it produces its power and torque at low revs, it's very efficient too, providing up to 25% fuel savings over our outgoing models. Simultaneous tracking and excavating is smooth and fast with intuitive multifunction operation, and 4 operating work modes allow operators of these 360 excavators to tailor performance to any application. Auto, economy, precision and lifting modes provide very different optimized settings. Jcb's tracked excavators use hydraulic regeneration to recycle oil across the cylinders for faster cycle times and reduced fuel consumption. Auto idle technology automatically reduces the engine speed of the Js360 tracked excavator when its hydraulics aren't in use. Serviceability. We've designed Jcb Js360 tracked excavators to be low maintenance and easily serviceable, making them affordable, efficient and highly productive to run. Bonnets open and close easily with gas-assisted cylinders, and the Js360 tracked excavator service bays are large and wide for good access. 1,000-hour boom and dipper greasing intervals and a 5,000-hour oil life provide maximum uptime on these 360 excavators. Grease points are centralized on Js360 tracked excavators for safe and easy access to high-level pivots. Likewise filters, engine oil, hydraulic oil and fuel. Because they're mounted side by side, the Js360 tracked excavator's engine radiator, hydraulic cooler and intercooler can be serviced individually and cleaned easily. Strength. We use finite element analysis with extensive rig and endurance testing to make these 360 excavators last longer. A Jcb Js360's reinforced boom and dipper is made of high tensile strength steel, with single-piece wrapper plates and internal baffle plates for long life durability. The high-strength undercarriage of Js360 tracked excavators is of a fully welded X-frame construction for long-term durability even in the most demanding applications, and the rigid upper frame provides maximum durability and support. The turret on Js370 tracked excavators is welded to both the upper and lower undercarriage frames, and stiff, durable doors provide further strength. For ultimate reliability, we construct our tracked excavators using only the very best componentry, including Berco running gear, Kawasaki pumps and Kayaba main control valves.